Hello and welcome. Today we are going to walk through how to fix the Outlook error OST file cannot be opened on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This issue happens when Microsoft Outlook fails to open the OST file which stores your offline mailbox file. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the common causes of this error and the practical steps to resolve it. Let's get started. So, before we deep dive into the causes and the solutions, let's start with what's an OST file. An OST file is a local cache of your mailbox data for Exchange or Microsoft 365 accounts. Outlook uses it to let you work offline and to sync changes with the server when you reconnect. Now, let's move to the common causes of this problem. There are many causes or many common causes of the OST file not opening, and like faulty or conflicting add-ins or outdated Outlook or Windows installation. So, corrupted OST file or damaged Outlook installation, file permission issues or profile corruption, improper Outlook shutdown or sync issues with the Exchange server. And let's explore the step-by-step solutions for these problems. So number one, if you have a problem with the add-ins, then you need to do this to solve this problem. First, you go to the search field in the taskbar, and then you press on Windows R and start the run program. And here you need to type outlook.exe, and then we need to write after the slash save, and it's gonna run Outlook in the save mode, and you will have a window on the second or on the main screen. So I moved it to my recording screen now, and you need to press on OK. And now it opened Outlook, and here we have our Outlook mailbox. And we need to go to File and then Options. And here under Options, we need to select the add-ins. And then here at the bottom, we have COM add-ins, and then press on Go. We need to uncheck all the add-ins or all the available add-ins, and then press on OK. I'm not going to do it because my OST file has no problem. So in case yours has, you need to uncheck them all and press on OK. And if it works, you can activate them one by one to see which one is causing the problem. That's the first solution. Add-ins, go to COM add-ins and deactivate them all or uncheck the box, and then activate them one by one to see which one is causing the problem. Now let's move to update Outlook and Windows. This also might be an issue or cause some problems. So to update your Windows, you need to go to Settings, and under Settings, you need to go to Windows Update, and here you can press on Check for Updates. This button here. I'm not going to check for updates because I'm recording now. And to update Outlook, you need to open Outlook and go again to File, and here at the bottom we have Office Account, and pressing on Office Account, it's gonna show the product information, and here you can update it from this tab, or view updates or about updates. I'm not gonna update now because as I said, I'm recording and it's gonna take time and it's gonna stop other solutions. So this is how you update your Windows and your Outlook. And the third option is, or solution is, to reset the Outlook navigation pane. And to do it, you need to close Outlook if it's open. In my case, it's not open. And then you need to go to the run again, and by pressing on Windows button plus R, and it's going to open again the same run window. And here we need to type something different after the slash, and which is reset nav pane. And after that, we need to press on OK. And it opened Outlook. And if you see here at the bottom, it was showing or sending some messages or the status of the update and the reset. And it's just gonna reset the nav pane. It's not gonna delete your data. So it's a safe option. So do not be afraid to do it. It's just gonna reset your nav pane. Now, the fourth solution, which is repairing your Outlook installation. And to do that, we need to go to Control Panel. And under Control Panel, we need to go to Programs and Features. So it's this option. In case your control panel looks different, you can go here to View Pie. And then instead of category, you can choose large icons. It's very small on my screen. I'm going to try to highlight it to make you see. It's here, large icon. So the view is going to be similar to this one. And after that, we need to go to Programs and Features. And here we will have a list of all installed apps on my system. And we need to go to Microsoft Outlook, but there is no Microsoft Outlook. We just have Microsoft 365. And we can go over it, right mouse click on and using change. And here we will have the user account control window asking us if we want to uninstall or change an application. And then we will say yes. And here we will have two options: repair quick or online repair. We can press on repair. It's going to take some time. And we will have again another window and ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Microsoft 365. Um, as I said, I'm recording. It's not a perfect time because I'm using some Microsoft apps now, but you can do it yourself. You can press on repair. It's a safe option. It's not gonna harm any of your data or do anything to your files. I'm gonna prepare on close. And after doing the repair, you need to restart your system to make sure that repair is working fine. There are additional fixes or advanced fixes for this problem for the corrupted OST file or not opening OST file. And one of them is just to go to the OST file on your system and rename it. And after renaming it, Microsoft Outlook is going to create a new one. You can find it under your app. I'm going to show you. It's here under your user app data local Microsoft Outlook. There is a short link. You can just copy and paste here in the path, and you will land directly in this folder. And to change it, just highlight the file that you want Outlook to recreate a new version of it, and just rename it. And that's it. I have two files here. I'm gonna gray them for security reasons. And there is a second advanced option, and which is creating a new profile. And to create a new profile, you need to go again to the control panel. And let me go back. And here under control panel, you need to go to the mail. And under mail, you will have here show. You will have here a couple of options. You need to go to show profiles. It's going to open a new window. And here you will have a list of all the profiles that you have on your system. And here we have Outlook. And we can press on properties, and under properties it will show us two things. One of them, the email accounts linked to this profile. I have two email accounts, and the data files, which are the OST files, and you will find even the link to them. And you can here remove them or open the file location directly from the account settings. And you can add your account manually, and this is going to create a new OST file in this profile. Like you go here to properties, show email account, you can remove your account and add it again, and this will create a new OST file. The last advanced one is the scan pst.ext file, and it is a utility that scans and repairs corrupt Outlook data files. And you can locate it in the Office installation folder and run it on your OST file. I'm gonna show you where to find it and how to run it. So let me go to the File Explorer again and do a paste here. And here is our PC, Windows, program files, Microsoft Office, root, Office 16. And here we have the scan pst.exe. I'm gonna try to find it. So this is this one. And if we click on it, I tried it already and it opened directly the account that I wanted. So let me try again, different one, different method. Let me paste the run command directly. So you need to find the link to your OST file, and to do it, we need again to go back to the mail and here show profiles and go to properties, data files, and open file location. We will copy the link. Actually, you could just copy the link to your OST file, and I don't know, I forgot to do it directly. I thought I can get the link copy paste from the user profile, but it wasn't the case. So let me go back here, go paste the link, and here we have the OST file. Let me choose it and let us start repairing. So now we have another window and it says the following file has been scanned. Only minor inconsistency were found in this file. Repairing the file is optional. To repair, click repair. I tried it already in the preparation of this video, and it told me that there is some errors, and you need and if you want to repair them, you can press on repair. And because I repaired them already, it says now that only minor inconsistency were found in this file. So anyway, we will repair it. And now it's saying the backup file already exists. If you continue, you will replace the existing file. So there is a backup. So if we continue, we will replace the backup file. That's it. So let's do it. Now we have another window saying repair complete. Those were all the fixes, the common one and the advanced one to repair your OST file. And finally, if the OST file is severely damaged or orphaned, manual methods may not work. In such cases, specialized tools like OST to PST converters can extract your mailbox data and save it in a usable format. And if you need a one, you can use Stella OST to PST converter tool. It's an amazing tool. You will find the link to OST to PST converter tool in the video description in case you want to download it. They have a free version that allows you to preview all the converted file data.